Eminary, aka Classy.
From Monday to Friday, from 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
on the morning drive.
103.5 FM DSN.
Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, the subscribe button is on Amazon.com. Hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin Punch Quickly. All right, it's also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church. Okay, St. Michael's Catholic Church is in Abacha, and then St. Teresa's Catholic Church in Umunya. Right, for the news. Good morning and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Today, the 15th day of May 2024. Today is a Wednesday and the time is a minute past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news, making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories, making the headlines. Stay with us.
Do you know that you have the right to political broadcasting? The National Broadcasting Commission says any person, group of persons, or organization aggrieved by the content of a broadcast or the conduct of a broadcast station may lodge a complaint to the station and all right to the Director General, National Broadcasting Commission, number 20, Ibrahim Taiwo Street, Abuja, or send a mail via info@nbc.gov.ng. Please ensure that the complaint includes name of the broadcast station, title of the program, date and time of broadcast, essence of the complaint. Also remember to include your name, address, telephone number, email, and append your signature. Note that the complaint must reach the NBC within 14 days of the queried broadcast. NBC, your right to quality broadcasting.
You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news and making the headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Sun, Punch, Daily Post, The Nation. This day, and if time permits, we'll also go to take a look at the Nigerian Tribune. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 080 96661035. You can as well join us on Facebook as we are live at Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Drop your comments on the comment section of the live video. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Taiwan seeks deeper trade relations with Nigeria. Chad's opposition leader challenges result of presidential polls. French prisoners escape. 2 officers killed in ambush. Fela Durotoye, Shafi Bello, others for She Can Nigeria Confab. Diocese of Lagos West begins synod tomorrow. Finance Forum profiles solutions to economic crisis. Court orders APC, INEC to file defense in suit seeking Aiyedatiwa sack as candidate. Don't leave parenting rules for teachers. Lagos state government tells parents. Federal government, Labour, OPS to present positions on minimum wage as committee meets. Nigeria accounts for 78.8% of imported automotive components. Exploration. Minister seeks Senate's support for increased funding. President suspends implementation of a cyber security levy. Over 5,000 beneficiaries to receive 50,000 naira grant monthly in Kano. Group falls Ozodema's appointment of council administrators. Otu to pay 600 million naira compensation over Calabar E2 road construction. House tackles Binance over alleged attempt to smear its integrity. APC women leaders lament marginalization in empowerment programs. Enugu government awards hotel contract, rectifies a 100 billion naira palm deal. Otu secures $3.5 billion funding for Bakassi Deep Sea Port. Police arrest bank manager for allegedly defrauding clients of 650 million naira. Police rescue abducted cement worker. Intensify search for others. Security agents rescue 6 more abducted students of Kogi Varsity. Illegal mining. Nigeria's $1.8 billion gold reserves mined into private pockets. Illegal mining. Nigeria's $1.8 billion gold reserves mined into private pockets. Retired permanent secretaries advocate regular training for civil servants. Minister goes to court. Petitions Inspector General of Police over mass wedding for 100 orphaned girls. Tertiary education. Federal government begins construction of hostels in 36 states. Rep takes over education of displaced teen with 301 JAMB score. Death toll in Zamfara's mysterious disease rises to 13. Christian Association of Nigeria condoles with ex-Governor Aliyu over mother's demise. Fubara hits harder, says Rivers battling huge debt left behind by Wike. Tinubu, Chetima, orders to pay access fees at toll gates henceforth. Union 6 restorative approach to tackle insecurity. Others in e-hailing sector. Lawyers decry murder of Varsity Dawn, demand justice. Lagos covers medical expenses for survivors of Ajeromi gas explosion. Also, others arrest of Ice Matter, chairman over alleged land grab, illicit activities. Alleged victim of gender-based violence accuses Lagos Police Gender Unit of bias. Bandits kidnap 500 Zamfara residents, kill 2 police, 3 others. How Edo's economy grew from $10 billion to over $26 billion. JAMB releases 36,540 out of 64,000 withheld results. Nigeria court cuts sentence in high-profile blasphemy case. Algerian missing for 26 years, found held captive by neighbor. How hoodlums killed our colleague during COVID-19 pandemic, LASMA officials. Sterling Bank introduces a processing fee from a request. Reports of bomb threat at bank in Plateau, fake news, police. ASU threatens nationwide strike. Ex-speaker calls for truce amid Ondo APC crisis. Air Force set to hold iconic 60th anniversary. Tinubu, Chetima, military personnel to pay toll gate fees at airports. Eno orders Akwa Ibom local government chairman to submit a performance report. Yusuf launches 50,000 naira monthly stipend for 5,200 women. Niger PM blames U.S. threat for broken military ties. Tiger Beer roars at the AMVCA's celebrating creativity and empowering talent. Alleged 8.1 billion naira fraud. EFCC to arraign Sirika brother on fresh charges. Tertiary Education Trust Fund programs duly approved before commencement. Varsity Dawn. PSG star Mbappe will join Madrid. La Liga chef. PSG star Mbappe will join Madrid, La Liga chief. Emefiele faces new fresh charges of illegal printing of naira notes. Central Bank of Nigeria to keep interest rates high until inflation subsides. Cardoso, floater wave ins prestigious spot on CNBC's 2024 Disruptor 50 list. iSwap founders, son, Albany, surrenders in Medugri. Kaduna Governor Sani remains my mentor, says El Rufai's son. 30 years woman remanded for assaulting, robbing police officer. 30 years Woman remanded for assaulting, robbing police officer. Federal government says helicopter landing levy cost recovery measure. Sirika's absence stalls arraignment in alleged 19.4 billion naira fraud. NAFDAC sales unregistered water agrochemical. Chinese tech giant Alibaba post 8% rise in revenue for past fiscal year. That's the much we can take from the Guardian newspaper this morning. From the Guardian newspaper, we'll flip over to Leadership newspaper. Chetima harps on technology for productive workforce. Cyber security levy to add 1.5 trillion naira fresh tax burden on businesses, households. CNG directive. Tinubu commissions 500 MMSCFD gas plants. 23.3 km pipeline today. Man or beer. Show of shame in Rivers State. Nigeria's judiciary has gone transactional. Obi. NCOS hotel project not funded by federal government, says official. ASU issues fresh ultimatum over varsity governing councils. 80 residents are missing after bandits attack Castana community. Despite PIA, petrol import monopoly persists. Airport access fees. No more VIPs. Everybody must pay. Federal government declares. NCC accuses MTN CEO of evading service of court process. Protests in Kaduna over Chibok, Dapchi girls. FCTA to demolish another 500 illegal structures. New tariff. Don't derail power sector reforms. Federal government appeals to Labour. Federal government approves a 90,000 kilometer fiber optic cable. Aims 60% internet cost cut. Underbridge tenants declare emergency over housing crisis. HDAN urges Tinubu. Hawaii to support Nigeria's digital transformation set $15 million incentives for partners. Court sentences teacher to life imprisonment for raping 7-year-old in Ogun. NAF expecting 48 new aircraft, says spokesman. Nigeria gains additional 16,000 SQKM of maritime territory. Federal government approves 66 billion naira for projects in FCT. Businessman Dr. Stanley hosts Prince Harry, Meghan in the Delboro, Lagos. Kamat rebrands, unveils new features. Bribery allegations by Binance, a plot to derail criminal investigation. Reps panel. Police arrest controversial singer, Portable over car debt. Gaza, almost 450,000 fled. Still on the stories, making the headlines on the Leadership newspaper this morning. Federal government deploys 20 trillion pension funds in infrastructure investment push. Woshime, Chukwueze, others sustain injuries ahead of crucial World Cup qualifiers. Boko Haram terrorists now use Elon Musk's Starlink for internet connection. Kamat rebrands, unveils new features. Bribery allegation by Binance, a plot to derail criminal investigation. Reps panel. Police arrest controversial. We've taken this. Super Falcons goalkeeper Nna Dossier wins another award in France. And that's the most we can take from the Leadership newspaper this morning. You are listening to newspaper headlines on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. We'll now go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us.
Country people, another wonderful opportunity don't land for you to secure your own landed property for better location with more money before price go carry you go where you don't know. This one na legit info from the stables of Robin Fave Concept Limited. I know say you don't sabi that name. I will still bring you Airlight Garden Estate and Unique Garden Estate. All these estates, they're the capital city of Delta State. When sabi levels don't buy them finish, but no worry because land no dey finish, and our work na to direct you go where you go get the best value for your money. This time we don carry am come your domot with the brand new Royal City Garden Estate Utulu, just 2 minutes from Akuku Igbo local government secretariat. This one na confirmed premium estate when you fit get with small money wey no go turn your eye at all. Just 450,000 naira for one plot inside our special promo when they on now. From now till 2 weeks time, this estate dey for Utulu off Asaba Benin Expressway, just 2 minutes from Asaba Housing Estate, and Expressway, just 2 minutes from Asaba Housing Estate, and 5 minutes from Wichtech Group of Companies. Royal City Garden Estate dey for good location when be say na only 20 minutes e go take from Coca Junction flyover, 10 minutes from Asaba International Airport, and e no far from the express route. For inside Royal City Garden Estate, you go enjoy light and water 247. The environment clean and the day serene for you and your family with good road network and street light go dey shine for every corner. You no go worry about security because solid fence dey around the estate and security men when them train wella go man the gate 247. On top that one, recreational center dey for your maximum relaxation. Wetin you dey wait for? Waka come Robin Fave Concept Limited office make you collect your own plot inside the brand new Royal City Garden Estate. Because special promo dey on now, and for this promo season, you go get 464 square meters of land wey be 50 by 100 for only 450,000 naira. This promo na for only 2 weeks, so